Good morning. Myself, Dr. Yuvaraj. Today we are going to discuss about basics and introduction, anatomy and physiology, human anatomy and physiology subject, and why we have to study and understand about anatomy and physiology as a biomedical engineer. Then next, before going to the subjects, we are going to discuss outline about outcome-based educations as government insist and NBA insist outcome-based education system. So what is outcome-based education? Just outline, and then we will discuss the system-wise, okay? Individual system, how the systems are functioning, and basic information about system. And subsequent classes will continue about the detailed information about structural and functional aspects of systems in each systems. Okay. So now course outcomes. We used to have course outcomes. The purpose of course outcome means once you are completing the course, okay, about anatomy and physiology, once you have completed the course, what you will be having? So what kind of outcome you will be getting from the subject? So that, for example, you could be able to understand the function, structure, and functions of the different body. Okay, then correlate and compare engineering principle and the human body as a biomedical engineer, and you could able to create a device or artificial organs, medical craft kind of things. Then you will be having a knowledge about the modeling like human organs like. So some example. These are some examples of course outcomes. This is the purpose to understand about the course outcomes. Okay. So then the level of course outcome we'll see. You might have heard about Bloom's taxonomy. Actually the Bloom's taxonomy, the name itself came from Benjamin Bloom. Okay, so he was creating actually thinking about the quality and quality of education. Okay, so then he made objective to different level of complexity and understanding about specificity and all those things. Okay, then the learning objectives and the cognitive effective in sensory domains. How people could able to learn in different ways. So he has published a book, even the taxonomy educational objectives. The classification of educational goals. You could, it's available online. You could refer. Okay, so the Bloom's taxonomy came from Benjamin Bloom. Okay, he had a committee head. He was a committee head. Okay, then sir, what is Bloom's taxonomy? Then you can see this. Then again, Bloom's taxonomy has been revised. Okay, now we are seeing revised Bloom taxonomy. So it's coming from just remember the things and understand the functions, then apply understanding or knowledge or apply the application level. So, okay, what knowledge we are having. So the things, the skill we have, we are going to apply. Then analyze the comparison, comparative analysis kind of things, and benefit analysis and functional analysis, performance analysis kind of things. So then evaluate. So this is the level of knowledge is going up, and finally evaluate, judging the values in the information. And then finally, we are going to create a new things from that, a new invention kind of things. Okay, so this is a Bloom taxonomy. So you should have a idea about Bloom's taxonomy. So I thought of sharing with you about outcome-based education system. Okay, now we are going to the subjects, introduction to anatomy and physiology. Okay. So why anatomy and physiology is needed for biomedical engineer, and how to learn and what to learn, okay, in biomedical as a biomedical engineer. Then is it easy or difficult? So what kind of contents will be there in that? Okay, exactly. Whatever things are happening in our body, structural and the functional aspects will be there. Then why we need engineers need to understand this subject as a biomedical engineer. Then we are going to talk about introduction, anatomy, physiology, and then syllabus, marks, assignments, that and all reference books will be shared with you. So all those things will be there, that slide. So today we are going to see only about the basics of the systems. Okay. So now, yeah. Anatomy and physiology. So what is a term? the terminology shows that. So anatomy is a branch which is concerned about the structure, how body has been arranged, how it's arranged and how it's growing, and what kind of materials assembled, atoms assembled, and so both all humans, animals, in living organisms, bacteria, virus, all those things we are studying about in studying in anatomy. Okay, and also dissection, separation of the part, and understanding the different parts and the composition. All those things will be coming under anatomy. Then physiology. So again a branch. Then understanding the function, deal only about function, normal, how it is normally functioning. And if any abnormal function means we used to call disorder or disease. Okay, so studying about functional aspects. In our syllabus, we are going to study only about human anatomy and physiology because we are, as a biomedical engineer, we are working human-centric approach as a biomedical devices and engineers. Okay, okay, fine. Then how body has been arranged. So structural arrangements of body. So bodies arranged, we know we are the materials, all the materials has been arranged as a from the atom. Okay, atom became molecule, then molecule became then different different compounds. Okay, compounds like okay, then in our body become molecules like DNA, then become cellular level. Okay, various cells we have, different various cells. Then muscle cells like nerve cells and blood cells like. Then it became organ. Okay, then became organ. For example, this shows muscle cells. Muscle cells become smooth muscle, become a stomach organ. Then stomach again system level. Stomach, not only stomach cannot be a digestive system. So the part of digestive system, liver will be there. Then there will be pancreas, small intestine, large intestine. All those things will be involved. Okay, then like the systems, okay, combination of the systems will become the whole organisms. Okay, in the sense human beings or any other organisms. Okay, this is structural organization of human body, and we could able to study about functional organization also. The connections between the functional aspects of each organ will be studying in future classes. Okay, then so how many systems are there in our body? And what may be the systems, what kind of things are involved, functions involved, and the structural aspects of the body, all those things we are going to study about in the introduction class. Okay, the first skeletal system. The skeletal system provides structure of the body. Otherwise, we cannot stand. Okay, so we will be like a jelly mechanic. Okay, understand. Then the muscle alone can move, walk means no, it is not possible. So we need skeletal bone alone cannot be walked. So we have muscular system, muscles, different various muscles to connect the body, and the skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles will be there. Okay, then is it enough? Okay, means next the energy is needed for the function of the muscles or any other systems. Okay, so we are having food, so that food will be digesting, and that will be absorbed by absorbed to the body, and it will goes into the different through blood. It will okay, it is okay, digestion part is okay. Then after digestion, that should be taken into the all other part of body. Each and every cells need energy. Okay, so the circulatory system or cardiovascular system will be taking care about this function. It is supplying to all over the body through blood vessels, veins and arteries. Then actually, okay, fine. For metabolic process, we need oxygen. Okay, we need air. So this function, the respiratory system, lung will be supply oxygen to burn the absorbed nutrients, and each and every cell will be having metabolic process. So the respiratory system supplies oxygen to body. Okay, fine. So now everything is okay. Then who will control these systems? Who will control all those systems? Okay, now we have nervous system. Okay, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system, brain, spinal cord, comprised as a central nervous system. Then it will be periphery. All other organs will be supplied in nervous systems. So brain is controlling the nervous functions, the human body, other organs functions. Okay. Now actually, Then nervous system having two kind of control mechanism. One is electric impulse, action potential. It is sending impulse from the brain, and the body will be responding, and each and every cells will be responding. And another kind of response will be chemical control. Okay, so the chemical control will be taken care by endocrine system. Okay, endocrine system means hormone production system. Okay, the hormones, endocrine hormones, okay, pituitary, adrenaline, thyroid, kind of things are controlling our body functions. Okay. Okay, sir, this is okay. Everything is finished means no. We need protection. Okay, so we have to protect internal organ. So we have skin and nail, hair, kind of integumentary system protect you the body from external environment. Okay, then again, okay, fine. Only human beings are not living in this planet. So we need protection from other organisms or bacteria or virus. We don't want that virus or bacteria, but they want to establish their own species in this planet. So we need protection from other organisms from the environment. Okay, so we have lymphatic system, okay, and immune systems, and we have to protect our body from other outside organisms from environment. Okay, okay, fine, sir. The body is functioning, everything is okay now, but the waste will be produced. It's a factory kind of things. Okay, right. So some waste will be metabolic excretion, metabolic waste will be produced. If it is a factory, definitely there will be a unwanted or which is not required or not necessary materials will be produced. So, okay, so we have renal system to eliminate excretory system or urinary system, renal system we used to call it. So that is excreting waste material from the body. Okay. So these are the basics. Okay. Then is it enough means okay. And each and as I mentioned, each and every organisms would like to establish their own species in the planet. So we have a reproductive system. All the organisms will be having reproductive mechanisms, and it will reproduce their own species, and it will establish their species in this planet. Okay. So we have reproductive system. Okay. So these are the outline about the systems and how it is correlate and connecting with the body functions. Okay, so just I would like to show the images. The skeletal system will have a skeletal as well as joints will be considered skeletal system, digestive system. Okay, again, various parts including liver and pancreas and the small large intestines will be compromised. Okay, then blood supply through from the heart, and it will supply to the body. Okay, arteries and veins will be involved. Then lungs will be supply carbon dioxide as well as it will eliminate the production waste. Means from metabolic waste from each and every cell carbon dioxide will be produced. That will be removed by body by lungs. Then again control system, nervous system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, again autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system will be functioning automatically. Somatic nervous system will be functioning voluntarily with our wish. Okay. So then we'll discuss detailed way. Then again endocrine system, chemical control in our body. Again there are different various endocrine glands. You might have studied in lower classes, biology classes. We have various organs to produce endocrine hormones. Then integumentary system means some skin, hair, and nails. It is actually protecting body from external environment. Then lymphatic system, again I told it's immune system. It is protecting our body from external organisms or any other harmful chemicals or pollen grains or any other things from the any allergens kind of things. Then urinary system, as I mentioned, it's eliminating the waste from body. Okay, then reproductive system. We have reproductive male and female reproductive system to reproduce our species in the planet. And with this I conclude. Thank you very much for listening, and we will continue a detailed way about the each and every topic in our syllabus. And if you have any queries, you can ask and interact through our social medias or any other media through WhatsApp or mail, email. I'll give my email ID and contact number. You can contact me for any kind of doubt and clarification. Thank you very much for active listening. Thank you.